welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out some Snail skincare products, and when I mean Snail, I mean like the essence. These are all products that were sent to me from YESSTYLE. I do have a code, so if you are interested in any of them, you can use that code and save yourself some money on them. So let's go ahead and get started on trying them out. The first thing I got here is called Black Snail Bubble Mask. It says it's for refining, pore minimizing. Now I have washed my face already, so I am putting this on a clean face, and this is what the box looks like. On this, I'm trying to see if I can find it in English how long I'm supposed to leave this on. Let's see, it says apply an adequate amount to the face, and when bubbles come up, massage through the face in a circular motion and wash off with clean water. So it doesn't say how long this is supposed to be on. It sounds kind of like a cleanser more than anything, but it says mask, so we're gonna try it. Okay, so this is what the container looks like. Alright, so let's try. Okay, so this is a very interesting mask. It foams pretty immediately, as you can see, and when I rub it in, you'll see that it goes smooth like that, and then it pops back up. The smell of this is really good. It smells clean and refreshing, so I do like that. So let's go ahead and wash this off and see how my skin looks. Alright, so it is washed off. I used some toner. They didn't give me a toner, so I used my own. But it did make my skin feel really fresh. I liked the way it felt. I didn't feel like it was too drying or anything like that, but it does feel really clean. So we are going to move on to the next product. This is Snail Repairing Eye Cream. It says it has Snail Extract Moisturizer for dry skin and gives fresh feeling to oily skin. So my skin is dry. That is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to apply a little bit of this onto my ring finger right here and rub it into my eyes. So this is a white, kind of a translucent color, and doesn't seem to have much of a smell, so that's good. Okay, so that eye cream feels very, very gentle. It doesn't seem to have any scent to it or any perfumes in it that's irritating my eyes, so that is really good. I'm really happy with that. Very pleased with what I've tried so far. Alright, the next thing we're going to try out is this Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence by COSRX. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, but that is what it is. This is what we're trying. Okay, so this is definitely a clear serum, so let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so I put a little extra on my hand just so we can see it. If you can, it is a little gel-like. You can see it kind of string up, but it doesn't feel, I mean, even though you can see that it's a little slimy and dewy and all that stuff, it doesn't feel thick like hair gel or anything like that. It strangely feels light, even though it's kind of all over the place. Okay, so that went on very smooth. My skin does not feel sticky at all. It does feel very dewy and moisturized, but not sticky. So I do really like this. All right, next we're getting into this right here. This is the Black Snail Edition skincare set. This is a cream and mini serum. That is what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna try this serum out first. This is the Black Snail Restore Serum. I don't know much about it. It says Snail secretion, there we go, filter rate 70. I don't really know all that, but anyways, let's go ahead and try a few drops of that and see how it feels. Okay, so this is also kind of stringy. Do you see it? You can kind of see it, the lines kind of, but anyways, it has a very similar consistency to the other serum. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Okay, so this serum also feels incredibly gentle. It doesn't really seem to have a scent either, and I'm liking that. They both really make my skin feel very hydrated and smooth, so I'm very, very pleased. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Black Snail Restore Cream. It says Skin Recovery and Nutrition, Wrinkle Care, Functional Cosmetics, I guess. But yeah, so that is what we're using now. Okay, so this is probably way more than I need, but I wanted to show you the consistency of it. See if I can hide my face so you can look at it better. It is definitely like a lotion cream consistency, and it's, you know, typical, I mean, very typical kind of stringy like the other serums, but also lotion. Like, it's a very good mix. But anyways, let's go ahead and apply it. Okay, so that is on. That went on very smooth as well. These products, so far I can tell you, they feel like they're deeply hydrating my skin, so I really do like that. If you are trying to fight aging, you want that deep hydration, so I'm really excited about that. So I have one more product to try, and this is the Snail and Azulene Sleeping Mask. So this is what the product looks like inside. You can see it's very much so a similar consistency to the other cream, but the color is obviously kind of a lavender purple color. But we're gonna go ahead and put it on the skin and see what it feels like. Okay, so that was definitely a little bit thicker, which you want in your night mask or night creams. You want that deeply hydrating nourishment in your skin when you sleep, so when you wake up your skin looks nice and dewy and fresh. And let me tell you, this feels really, really good. I'm pretty impressed by all of this. I'm sure I'm gonna have wonderful results with these because it just feels so good and so clean. Anyways, that is it of this video. If you are interested in getting these products, I have their link below in the description, as well as the code if you want to save some money. And if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.